What's up gamers, Jim here, and this is a tutorial for Crayta on a script that I made. It could be useful to you, so let's just begin. I'm going to create a level. I'm going to create a TDM level. Let's just call it test level. I'm really bad with coming up names on the spot. So what my script does is, I'll show. So what normally happens is, when you start a new round on Crayta, objects get reset, which is completely great. This is fine. This is great. This is how it should be, anyways. So let me just demonstrate real quick. Let's just quickly add. Oh, we already have weapons. I forgot about that. So we have weapons, and let's just quickly build something with voxels. I don't know, just a chocolate bar building. I really don't care what it is, and actually it looks quite cool, isn't it? It's like you just want to eat that chocolate building. So you just drag it real quick, and let's test it out. Oh no, I might have needed to. Actually, no, never mind. There you go. You can destroy the building, and what happens is, as soon as the game resets, just give it like 5 seconds. There we are. All the things that I destroyed is reset, which is fantastic. However, on if you add physics. If you add physics to this, I should have made a separate object. Let's just quickly add a ball. You got a football, jumbo. So let's just add a ball. I'm gonna separate from the terrain, so I don't want the terrain properties on there. And drag it up. While I'm doing that, actually, I'm going to get the voxel out, and I'm going to paint. I'm going to paint a block. So we know where the starting point is for this ball. It's where this is. Can I just drag it? Okay, just about there. Cool. So if I add physics to this, which is right here, physics enabled, and hit play. So what will happen is, if I push the ball, and we wait 8 seconds for the new round to start, you would assume that it should just reset the ball to where it starts, but it doesn't. As you can see, we start a new round, but the ball is continuing going. So in this game, physical objects... Oh, the ball actually just went off the map. Physical objects do not get reset every round. I created a script that solves this problem. So let's just assume this is your game. You got a wall, you got a physical a ball. So what you want to do is you want to go to community. Oh, it's already here. So anyways, what you want to do is type in reset physics. And this is the one I made. It's got my name on it at the end. And you just hit install. Now oh, I got an achievement. That's cool. So what I do with my package is sounded sexual. So what I do with my packages is that if I go to assets, I actually make a readme file as well, so you can actually see what you're supposed to do, how you're supposed to actually implement it. It's really simple. I'm just going to show you in the video anyways, but just for the record, for anyone who's creating scripts with Crayta, whoever's watching this right now, please make a readme file, so when people download your script, they know how to implement it into their game. And there are a lot of community made scripts which sound really cool in the titles and description, but then I have no idea how to implement it, and a readme file would be fantastic. But anyways, the real script is actually in here, and all you have to do is you go to the physical object that you want to reset, go scroll the way down, right click, script, and then add reset physics object. Make sure you're not adding the readme file, because that doesn't do anything. So once you get reset physics object, you go to the game logic. Now normally you would assume it will be in here, but if in most cases it wouldn't. So you go to user, and then you just click on game, and then right off the bat you can see on lobby start, on lobby end, and it's already being used by the template. So this is a good sign on where to use the script. You can do it to round end or result start or lobby end, it doesn't matter, but for the sake of this video I'm going to set it to round start. I'm going to click on it, so click on plus, and I'm going to find the ball that we just made. It should be Underworld Football. There you are, Football Ball Jumbo, and then select event and select the reset event. So this is the function that I made that enables to reset the physical object. So once you've done that, that should be it. So let's just quickly play. Let's just start a whole new session. So the ball started off where it's supposed to. Now let's just kick it, and let's see what happens in 5 seconds. I'm really hoping it's going to reset. There you go. It just reset. And I also set it so that the rotation and the momentum of the physics rotation is set to 0. So it's exactly how you start the game. There is like the momentum physics and the rotational physics, they all get set to 0 as well. Because if you don't do that, then the ball will continue moving to the direction that I kicked it at. But yeah, it's really that simple to use. This is a great, I think this is a great simple script as well, because it's something that I wanted in my other games, that I wanted physics objects to be reset as well, and well, now you can. And you can implement this anywhere. It doesn't have to be on round start. It could be round end, lobby start, lobby end, result start, result end, and so on. Maybe you could find a different apart. Maybe you're making a script and you want to just implement my script onto yours. That is completely fine as well. All you have to do is make sure you implement the reset function. That's all you have to do. But yeah, hope you learned something from this video. I hope you learned how to use my script, and more importantly, hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching my video. This is Jem, and I'll see you on the next one.